Alright, obviously, next up is the donut competition. So here we go, gonna start us off here in donuts. We have... Oh, no. It looks like it's... Oh, boy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright, that will do it for the Stegosaurus. I'll hold the lead, obviously. Let's see how much longer that can hold the lead. Oh, my. Yeah, this is what I was expecting from this competition. Ooh, boy, this is not going to be pretty. I have to get a new set of pants after this. Wow. Firing up our next truck. There we go. Our next truck is fired up. Here we go. Our next truck is the year's donut winner. Here we go. Oh boy. There you go. Shark charge. Do a little drive-by for the camera. Show the fans at home how bad that truck is. Wow. That is awful looking. Well, I guess it's in its natural habitat. We just need Dirt Dolphin to show up, which should show up tomorrow. Alright. Coming up next, we'll have to lift up the trucks and fire him up because his track is just so muddy. Here we go. Coming up next, we have oh boy. Donut champion, basically. Wow. How long can it go? Alright, there you have it. That is how long it can go. Oh, flipping over. Only a donut. Alright, I guess we're just going to leave it there until after the competition. Wow, that is awful looking. I know earlier did an insane sidewall move of some kind. It was so weird. Tried saving it, but the mud was too much. But it also made for a really cool looking save thing. As you can see, we are starting to get surrounded by clouds again. Wow. Alright, coming up last. Surprised they just didn't have it do this competition. This thing is absolutely going to tear up everything. Here we go. Oh no. Oh crap. Dude, stop. Oh no. Alright, look at my arm. Oh no, I just got sprayed with mud. Let's see the camera. Oh, everything's just getting sprayed with mud. Wow, freestyle is going to be insane. And your donut winner is Triassic Rampage. Wow. Give it up for Triassic Rampage. We'll see if it can sweep the show.